Namaskar and good evening. Today we will look at one of the most illustrious and biggest companies of India, Reliance Industries Limited, with reference to its second quarter results, consolidated results. There has been a strong sequential rebound across all businesses, which means Q2 is much better than Q1. Yes, it's not much better than Q2 of last year, but it is much better than Q1 of current year, FY21. Consolidated quarterly revenue was higher by 27.2%. I am saying quarter on quarter only, at rupees 1,28,385 crores. So revenue is higher at 27.2%. Actual amount is rupees 1,28,385 crores. Consolidated quarterly EBITDA grew by 7.9% to rupees 23,299 crores. And profit after tax has grown by rupees, it is at 10,602 crores, higher by 28%. Revenue is higher by 27.2%, EBITDA is higher by 7.9%, and profit after tax is higher by 28%. Consumer business contributed 49.6% to the consolidated segment EBITDA. Record quarterly EBITDA for digital services at rupees 8,345 crores. Robust recovery in retail EBITDA. We have seen digital service EBITDA at 8,345 crore. Retail EBITDA 2,006 crores, higher by 85.9%. Capital raise, how much? Rupees 1,52,056, 1,52,056 crores in Jio platforms alone. Capital raise of 37,710 crores in Reliance Retail Ventures Limited. 1,52,000 in Jio platforms, 37,700 in Reliance Retail Services. And Jio has become the first telecom operator outside China to cross 400 million subscribers, that is 40 crores in a single country market. It is completely within India. And RIL has added in excess of 30,000 people to its workforce. Now we look at the strategic updates once more. Jio Platforms Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of RIL, raised 1,52,056 crores from leading global investors. Reliance Retail Ventures Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Reliance RIL, has raised 37,710 crores of investments from global investors. Reliance Retail Ventures entered into an agreement to acquire retail and wholesale business and the logistical and warehouse business of Future Group for a consideration of 24,713 crores. Reliance Retail acquires majority stake in a leading digital pharma marketplace, NetMeds, for a consideration of 620 crores. Reliance has entered the pharma market. Qualcomm Technologies Inc. and Jio Platforms both have announced expanded efforts to develop open and interoperable interface compliant architecture based 5G solutions. In telecom, 4G is rolling now. Now, Qualcomm and Jio want to develop 5G solutions with a virtualized RAN. This work is intended to fast-track the development and roll out indigenous 5G network infrastructure and service in India. Company has added 30,000 new jobs between April and September. Now, we have seen revenue, we have seen EBITDA, we have seen net profit. Net profit is 10,600 crores for RIL. Revenue is 1,28,385 crores. EBITDA is 23,299 crores. Revenue is higher by 27.2%, EBITDA by 7.9%, net profit by 28%, all quarter on quarter. Cash profit is 16,837 crores, higher by 20.9%. EPS before exceptional items is 14.8 per share, increased by 14.9%. Now, if you look at standalone RIL pure, without its subsidiaries, revenue is 64,431 crores, higher by 23.3%. EBITDA is 11,811 crores, higher by 4%. Net profit 6,546 crores, higher by 34.3%. All this is only standalone RIL. Cash profit is 7,201 crores, higher by 31.6%. Exports for the quarter is 34,501 crores, growth of 5.6%. Now, Jio Platforms revenue is 21,708 crores, higher by 7.1%. Net profit for the quarter was 3,020 crores, growth of 19.8%. Customer base has grown to 4,005 millions, a growth of 1.8%. ARPU during the quarter is rupees 145 rupees per subscriber per month. In the previous trailing quarter Q1 it was 140, now it is 145. Total wireless data traffic during the quarter is 1,442 crore gigabytes, 1.5% growth. Now let's go to Reliance Retail. Revenue is 41,100 crores, higher by 30%. EBITDA for the quarter is 2,006 crores, higher by 85.9%. EBITDA is higher by 85.9% for Reliance Retail. Net profit is 973 crores, higher by 125.8%. Cash profit is 1,408 crores, higher by 77.3%. Now, operational physical stores are 11,931. The number of stores that Reliance Retail has is 11,931. Net addition is 125 crores during the quarter. Now, Mukesh Ambani says, Reliance MD, we developed strong overall operational and financial performance compared to previous quarter, with recovery in petrochemicals and retail segment, and sustained growth of digital services business. Domestic demand has sharply recovered across our O2C business and is now very near to pre-COVID levels for most products. Retail business activity has normalized with strong growth in key consumption baskets as lockdowns ease across the country. With large capital raise in the last 6 months across Jio and retail, we have welcomed several strategic and financial investors into Reliance family. We continue to pursue growth in each business with focus on the India opportunities. So this is what we have seen. We have seen Reliance, we have seen Reliance Jio Platforms, we have seen Reliance Retail. There are many other things like its network, into its foray into TV services, etc. I'm not going to all those things. They are rather lesser important. But the three which are important are Reliance Jio Platforms, and Reliance Retail. These are the three important ones. There are a few other things also. In each one of these things, Reliance is, you can say, number one. It is acquiring Future Retail. Most of the business of Future Retail. So it is like that. Reliance Retail was doing very well till 2 years ago. Now it has surrendered to RIL. Now RIL has entered consumer electronics business also, fashion and lifestyle business also, petrochemicals, it is already there, refining and marketing. So many business, oil and gas exploration and production, that is where it has not succeeded much. The segment revenues for oil and gas has exploration and production has declined by 29.8% quarter on quarter, primarily due to lower price and decline in production. So now they are teaming with British Petroleum, etc., and trying to do whatever is possible. They have entered into media business. And the TV ownership is, viewership is increasing like anything. So all these things are there. I'm not going into great detail. I have studied the whole thing, but I'm not going to great detail. It's not required. But Reliance is probably the number one company, and it has made Mukesh Ambani into the top 10 of the world's richest people, maybe around fifth or something like that now. We wish Mukesh Ambani all the best. We wish RIL all the best. We wish them to serve. Of course, the country has not been becoming worse because of RIL. It has become better because of RIL. That is my personal reading. Whether it is in oil or in retail or in telecom, it has become the number one. It is giving cheap services. Thank you for listening. I will be back with you with another very good company.